Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Range Rover Sport 3 litre SD V6 HSE automatic. Right, 109,000 miles, 2015 car. Cam belt replaced at 100,000 miles. 10 services. Serviced at 7, 17, 26, 41, 54, 65, 79, 94, 100 and 106. Cam belt at 100. Okay, Corris grey metallic, black leather. Running boards, 22-inch gloss black Land Rover alloy wheels, £14,395. 2 keys and a lovely, clean, proper vehicle. New disc and pads on the front very recently, new rear brake pads, 2 new tyres. Very nice original condition, not tatty. Great history, drives lovely. Inside's got the black leather and the light grey. It's a nice car. Panoramic sunroofs. Okay, so reverse camera, rear park sensors, privacy glass, rear spoiler, big 22-inch Land Rover alloy wheels, running boards, not stone chipped, lovely condition. Obviously HSE, so inside, electric memory heated leather seats. There's the memories for the passenger seat. There's the electrics. Lovely condition. Panoramic sunroofs. Front one tilts and slides. Sunshade. Heated leather steering wheel. Multifunction paddle change. Electric steering column. Obviously satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, reverse camera. Got all of your off-road programs down there. Beautiful condition. Fitted mats. Lovely car. Door cards, not tatty. Beautiful condition. The leather everywhere. Big pan roofs. Heated rear seats. Power tailgate. Full size alloy spare wheel, load covers in there, press the button, there's your reverse camera up under there. Super clean in the boot area. Load covers in there, boot, immaculate. Well, I can show you very easily, but under here. Right, full size alloy spare wheel with a Pirelli Scorpion tyre. Lovely to see. Press that button up there. Power tailgate. No dents, no scratches. 10 services, 109,000 miles. Cam belt replaced at 100,000 miles. New rear brake pads. We'll have new disc and pads on the front. 2 new tyres. 2 keys. Very nice example. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors. There's the memories for the driver's seat. No marks on the door cards. Fitted rubber mats. Leather on the seat. All in lovely condition. HSE. Plus a few extras. Nice, it's got the light coloured headlining, 22-inch wheels, heated steering wheel, 109,673,000 miles. Great service history. I'll show you the reverse camera because I like it. There you go. Big, clear reverse camera. Lovely and clean everywhere. 2 keys in lovely condition, not tatty. 2 remote keys, look like they're new. Very nice. HSE Range Rover, Corris grey metallic, gloss black 22-inch alloys and running boards, just looks beautiful. Right, £14,395. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we produced in the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will then be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.